The indoor games I like the best. There are many indoor games. Some are ancient like chess and draughts, and some are modern inventions like Luddo, Tiddly, Wings, and Ping Pong. Some are games of pure chances like some card games, and some are games of skills like chess. All such games are meant as amusements to pass the time, but some of them, while giving amusement, give something more. I do not much like card games, for I think that any game that depends mostly on chance very soon loses its interests. Of course, of course, there is a good deal of skill, or at any rate memory and shrewd guessing, required in some card games like bridge, but after all, luck has a great deal to do with winning. For even the best player cannot do much with a bad hand of cards, and even the worst must do something with a good hand. And whether we have a good hand or a bad hand is entirely a matter of chance. That's why I suppose people do not, as a rule, care of card games unless they can play for money. Only gambling can keep up an interest in cards. My favorite indoor game is chess. Particularly, no chances come into chess. It is nearly all pure skill, and this is what gives chess itself chief interest. To be a good chess player, one must have great patience, must be able to look ahead and calculate what the result of every movement will be, and one must have great power of concentration. A game of chess is a battle, a wrestling match between two minds, although the two players sit perfectly still and scarcely speak a word. They are engaged in an exciting mental combat, and the cleverest man wins. Chess does not need gambling to make it interesting. So chess is not a mere amusement. Though it is very amusing, it is a fine form of mind exercise. It teaches one to think, to calculate, to look ahead, to read other people's thoughts and intentions. Before he dare move a piece, the player had to ask himself, if I move my knight there, what will be the result? Will my opponent move up his bishop or withdraw his queen or play a pawn? If he does not the first, if he does the first, will that put my king in danger? If he does not, if he does the second, can I check his king? If he does the third, will he spoil my attack? And whatever he does, what shall I do next? And so on and so on. So, for real excitement and interest, and for real mental recreation, give me a game of chess whenever I get a chance. I love to play it.